Hi, I'm Bryce Dillard and I'm with Team 5 for the Compost grinder. There are four main subfunction categories that we have here. One is grinding, which is breaking it up into smaller particles. The second one is heating and temperature control. The third one is control of airflow, to have airflow or to have none. And the fourth subfunction is isolation, which is dealing with pleasantness, keeping bad smells in, loud noises in, and pests out. We have a few different concepts for the individual subfunctions on the sides here. For things like the grinding, we have human-powered concepts, we have battery-powered concepts, we have AC power concepts, and we also have solar power. For the heating, there are a bunch of different sources that heat can come from. We have the solar absorption of heat, shown in this left picture here. We have an electric heating element, which could easily be put into any of them that have electric power, and we have other passive heating, like putting it next to a refrigerator or some other appliance that gives off a bunch of heat. We also have very simplistic ideas, like the very simplistic idea of just having a trash can with a bunch of holes poked in the lid, essentially. And we have other more creative ideas for active protection against pests. So for combining these things, location, power, and how much power all of the devices consume are major considerations. It doesn't make sense to have a compost grinder with an electric heating element and fans and automatic temperature control if it's going to be solar powered. It wouldn't be enough power for the form factor that we need to fit. So one like the modern style inspired by Lomi plugs into the wall. You could have all of those things and you'd have power to spare. For human-powered options like the hand crank, it would make sense to have the mechanical aspect powered by a human, and lower demand things like computer fans that only take a couple of watts could easily be powered by a solar panel or some other source. For the outside location concepts, outside active protection combines a few different aspects like being open to the air, using dispersion, axial fans, other passive heating, and passively powered by solar. And you would have like pest repellent on the outside and possibly place down to different frequencies to repel pests. For the full absorption, we would take advantage of being able to absorb the sun's rays for heat, for power, and we would have airflow from wind and fans, and all of those would work well together, and the power consumption, power draw would make a lot of sense.